Hi everyone! I wanted to do like a little mini update on my room and like filming spot because I had done a room tour when I used to live at my old place, but we moved since then. I just got back from like running errands and stuff, so I'm still in the same cord with this really cute bucket hat that I commissioned from Jamie Pebble and I really like. But anyway, that's aside. I'm gonna show you my setup where I film since it's finally complete and quickly how I'm organizing my closet and Lolita and stuff. So this is where I film. This is just my dresser for like my normal clothes, and I have some cute like figures and stuff up here. I still have these things for all of my rings. That's the same as my old place. And I have all of my prints and some stuff on the wall here for decoration. I've collected quite a few prints at this point. I always have some more on the way because I'm trying to fill it like really to the floor, but we're not there yet. So yeah, I don't know, some of the artists are Cerros by Charlie. This is Sugar Ellie, who I really love her stuff and I really want more. What else? Shiro Room in the Corner, Snow Priestess. This was also from Jamie Pebble. These are from See Me. That's my own art because I got it signed by Sebastian Masada. Mob, one of my favorite animes. I love this horror poster. It's so cute. This is from Angelina, Sarah Victoria, Velvet Syrup, Luminous. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name. Anyway, a bunch of really cute stuff. And I have some Curate EMI prints on the way, so I can't wait to put them up. And I got this chair in between moves. So this is what I use to film, and it's my cat's favorite spot, Orion. He always sleeps here like through the night and through the day. And I have this little shelf in the corner now with my Jimbeis and some other marine themed plushies. They're like really cute. And then my prize Miku with a little candle and a little unicorno. And then just some fake flowers. And at the bottom I just keep some spare stuff. This is for filming, you know, it's for my ring light and that kind of thing. Yeah, that is my filming spot. Onto my closet. Okay, for my closet, I'm really trying to make everything fit because it's kind of hard to fit in the camera. It's like really close to my bed. But as you can see, I have like all of my blouses here. It goes all the way to the back. I organized it by color this time around and by cut. So it's like long sleeves to short sleeves and like cut sews and blouses together and that kind of thing. So all here, and I have like my hoop skirt and some normie stuff and some Lolita stuff in the back there too. And then on this side, it's all of my main pieces. This time I decided to organize it by color. I'm not sure how much I like it because now all of my themes and stuff are mixed up, but right now it's like cut and color. I might end up redoing it though. At the bottom of my closet, I have my shoe rack. There's quite a bit of space. It's like a pretty deep closet. I'm gonna get some yellow shoes and add it there. So this is where I keep all of my shoes. And on this side, I have like all of my accessories and stuff. So in every drawer, there's something different. Wrist cuffs, any wristwear, chokers, brooches, hair accessories. Oh, it's not like the most high quality thing. Bonnets. And then I have like head bows by color. So this is like lavender, blue, red, pink stuff. Canatees and headdresses. Hats and some other canatees. This is like a mini hat. Detachable bows. And this is just like random crap. So that's what's in my closet. Up top, there's my bags and then some other stuff like my parasol and hats up there. That's all the Lolita stuff that's in my closet. Right beside it, I still have this same thing that I used to have at my old place, which is for all my jewelry, my bracelets, and my necklaces are up there. I keep everything there. I don't have tons of jewelry, so it fits everything. So I still use the drawers in my bed. This one is kind of a nightmare right now. It's like my hats and my waist ties, so I'll show it really quickly. Okay, yeah, jump scare. And then my other one is much more nicely organized, is for all of my socks. So I keep all of my ankle socks in this bin because they're not really easy to roll up. Whoops. And then everything else is just kind of sorted by color and that kind of stuff. And then I have my mini hats here since they don't really fit in the like drawer organization thing that I have in my closet. Right now everything fits. I actually have some room to spare for socks. I haven't bought socks in a bit, but you know, I'm always on the lookout. So yeah, that's everything. It's pretty similar to my old place, but my closet is slightly smaller and it's actually in the bedroom this time, which is nice. Before it was in our like living room. I really decorated my Lolita spaces the most, so I'm not doing like a house tour or anything. I don't really want to show my full house anyway, but I really wanted to show how I organize my stuff just because it's a smaller space and you know, sometimes you have to be a bit more creative with how you organize it. And I'm really, really satisfied with how it's turned out so far. The only thing I'm missing is like a organizer for my waist ties. I'm gonna get like a sock organizer. I think they have some on Amazon, so that way I'll be able to like stuff it in individual little, I don't know, containers, because they don't fold and hold well, like they roll out. So I kind of need something to put them in. I think that's everything. If you like any of the prints that I have on my wall, feel free to like ask me which artist they're from. Like I said, I'm always collecting new prints, so honestly, if you do have Lolita prints, feel free to let me know because I buy them a lot. But yeah, little mini video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye, Ryan. Oh, grumpy.